Hey everyone, David here. Welcome to the Common Guy Crypto channel. Just wanted to discuss for the next few minutes a couple updates about Student Coin. I'm really excited about what's going to happen this week, and I just wanted to share a couple tidbits that I found out there when I was doing some research. So if you recall, the ICO stated that they raised like $50 million in 70 days. And so I was thinking about what $50 million looks like in terms of, cost per coin at 0.02. And I was thinking that they must have raised something or sold something like 35% or 40% of available tokens during that ICO. I was hoping that if anybody's figured out that math, that you could drop a note in the chat for me or in the comments down below. And I'm really going to be interested to see what happens once these exchanges come online and there's such short supply of this particular coin. So let me know your thoughts on that. Now, it was really hard to purchase Student Coin. You could either buy it through the Launchpad, or there were a couple swap sites, and that was about it. So I would have to imagine that most of us are still hanging on to the tokens that we bought during the ICO. And, I think I mentioned I used my unspent lunch money to buy $88 worth of Student Coin. And, I'm really excited to see what's going to happen. So this week coming up, not tomorrow, but the next day, is the first major exchange that is going to have Student Coin listed on it, and that's an Asian exchange. And then on May 9th, I think we can withdraw Ethereum and Student Coin and drop it into our wallets if we wanted to. Then on the 12th is a CoinSpit listing. And then after the 12th, there's 5 more exchanges that this thing's going to pop onto. So I'm really going to be watching, kind of the flow and see what happens to the volume, because I think we'll get a much better idea for what the direction is for this thing. Now, I did see I saw on Twitter today that ACDX, which is a derivatives trading platform, announced that they're going to be picking up Student Coin and having it listed on there starting on, I think, July 17th. And ACDX, if you're not familiar with it, is just a next generation crypto derivatives trading platform. And they really have, they've really cultivated a company that's focused on, easy to use tools to make trading fun and hopefully profitable. So it's a great place for cryptocurrency trading. I don't have an account there, but everything I saw I liked. So I just wanted to remind folks that if you're looking on CoinMarketCap at Student Coin to try to see like what's going on with it, that whatever you're seeing right now is, from a price standpoint, doesn't actually reflect any bearing on reality. I think it'll be a solid week to 10 days before we start to get that first look into what the true direction for this thing will be, and I'm pretty confident that that's going to be an upward arc. I think it's still going to be volatile for a couple days after that, maybe for the first 30 days or so. I would hope that most of us would decide to hold long term. I know I am. And just kind of stick with this with diamond hands, as Wall Street Bet says. There is a huge community on Reddit for Student Coin. So if you want to jump on over there and check it out, there's a lot of activity going on there. And then coming up in June, and the roadmap is I think it's phenomenal. It goes through the end of the calendar year. And June has a Student Coin exchange coming up in beta. And then the first 10 Student Coin tokens are actually going to be exchangeable. Follow that up by another 2 major exchanges being listed on for token sales. And then at some point towards the end of June, I saw that they were going to be doing a major global exchange listing. Don't know which one. I would hope it would be something like, Binance, or like, something, one of the big ones. And then the final thing that's coming up at the end of June is really kind of cool that I'm looking forward to, is the token staking and dividend solution. So I know I didn't buy a lot, but I'm just kind of getting into the crypto space. Only been doing it for a couple months, and I have definitely made some mad money doing this. So that's about it for Student Coin. If you have any comments, you want to see something else, let me know. I was thinking about doing a reveal of what I have in my Voyager account that I started with $250 in back in early March. And as of this morning, it was at $600. And I know that for some of you, that's not a lot of money, but, brand new in this, and just, I don't have the 6 figures to go and drop into crypto right now. So if you want to check that out, put a note in the comment below, and I'll show you what I'm holding for the month of May. And if you want to support the channel, I put a link down below for the Voyager app. I use that for 10 tokens, coins that I'm holding, 10 crypto assets, because there's no cost for trades, and I get to keep as much of the money as I'm making as possible. So that's it for me. Let me know what you think. Smash that like button and definitely hit the subscribe button, please. I'm looking forward to getting to my first 25 subscribers. That's all I got for you tonight. Thanks.